CNC Glass cutting machine. Cost effective, including the loading, air flotation, braking, linear cutting and special shaped cutting factions, remote control operation. So it is a substitute for the loading table, cutting machine and braking table, which could greatly reduce the labor intensity and safety risks of workers. The machine has the advantages of high degree of automation, convenient operation, small investment and high efficiency, which greatly reduces the overall cost of equipment use. It is the best choice for small and medium-sized glass companies. The heavy glass cutting work could be done all by one worker. If you're interested in it, contact us.